Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to help you learn how to log into your Fusion Payroll account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser first. In the search box type in www.fusionemployerservices.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official website, click on the login link at the top right corner and you have two options where you can choose from. Whether you'd like to log into your client account or your employee account, choose between the two and click it on. Now in the login area, you'll get to enter your username and your password. In the first text box, type in the username that you have registered to Fusion with and head over to the next box and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log in. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this link that says "Forgot your password" at the bottom and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new one. After typing in your password, double check it by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner, and once you are sure you have typed in the correct information, click on sign in order to sign into your Fusion employer account. Now, if you'd like to log into your employee account, click on the login button at the top right from the home screen and click on Employee Login. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in the Employee Login portal. Enter your username in the first text box, correct. Make sure to type in the username correct every time you log into your account. Head over to the next field after you're done and type in the password for your account. Again, make sure to type in the correct password. If you'd like to double check your password before moving on, then you can click on the show link right at the corner. In case you don't remember your password or your username, you can click on these links at the bottom that says "Forgot username" for your username and click on the "Forgot password" link for your password. If you follow the instructions, you'll get to find your username that you have lost, or you'll get to reset your password that you've forgotten. If you don't have an account yet, click on the register link and follow the instructions so that you can create a new account for Fusion Payroll service. After everything's done, click log in and you'll be logged into your account in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. We'll be sure to get back to you on those comments you make. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.